What impact do the recent drone attacks have on the Ukraine-Moscow conflict? These attacks are changing the battlefield in surprising ways you might not expect. Recent drone attacks have forced both Ukraine and Moscow to rethink their military tactics. Drones provide real-time intelligence and allow precision strikes without risking human lives. Ukraine has used drones to target supply lines and command centers, while Moscow responds by deploying advanced anti-drone systems. This cat-and-mouse game is accelerating technological innovation on both sides, making unmanned warfare a critical battlefield component. The psychological effect of drone attacks cannot be underestimated. They create constant tension and fear among soldiers and civilians alike. The unpredictability of strikes, often happening day or night, erodes morale and can disrupt daily life. This kind of psychological pressure is a form of warfare itself, designed to weaken the enemy's resolve without large-scale troop movements. Strategically, these drone attacks mark a new phase in the Ukraine-Moscow conflict. They demonstrate the increasing role of technology in modern warfare. This shift influences not only battlefield outcomes, but also global political dynamics. Allies watch closely, adjusting support and strategies based on drone effectiveness. The conflict's evolution could set precedents for future wars worldwide. The recent drone attacks are reshaping the Ukraine-Moscow conflict in unexpected ways, from tactical battles to psychological warfare and global strategy. Staying informed on these developments reveals how technology is transforming modern war. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.